This is Kilo, and today I'm going to show you a common problem that occurs when you've just installed your deadbolt for the first time. You'll have installed it, you'll lock the door to check that it works, you'll take your key, insert it into the keyway, turn it back to unlock the door, but after you do, you cannot remove your key. It's just stuck inside, and you turn it back to the locked position, and your key comes out just fine. Let me show you why this happens. So the problem that you saw is a result of an improperly timed tailpiece. So to properly time your deadbolt, after you've installed your latch here, you'll take your Phillips head screwdriver, stick him in here, and use him to go ahead and throw the bolt. Once you've thrown the bolt, you'll look at the back side of your cylinder and you'll see this tailpiece. Now, if you are having this issue, you might have taken this out of the package and not really paid much attention to him. You might think that he just kind of spins and free flows any which direction. This is important to which direction you insert him. Now, what I do to make sure that I properly time my deadbolt is I find my center. To do this, we go ahead and turn our tailpiece all the way to the right until it stops. We'll go ahead and take it and turn it all the way to the left until it stops. And we know that we are now at our center. To do that again, we're horizontal here. We'll turn him all the way to the right and he stops in this vertical position. We'll go ahead and turn him horizontal one more time. Turn him to the left and he again stops in the vertical position. So we know that our center is here in the horizontal position. From here, you'll go ahead and put him back through the housing, making sure that you remain in the horizontal position here, as sometimes when you push that through, he can move very easily. You'll slide him through the cross or the square or whatever various shape your deadbolt came with. They have multiple different variations of this. And from here, before you go ahead and install your back plate and screw it all down, what you want to do is hold it the way that I am, take your key, insert him, and unlock the door, and make sure that you can remove your key. Again, insert the key, lock the door, and make sure that you can remove your key again. Go ahead and try that one more time, just to make sure nothing's wrong and the timing is perfect. From here, what you'll want to do, pull him back off, take a quality lubricant such as Houdini, LPS1, Tri-Flow, any of those. Try not to use WD-40 as it collects a lot of particles and really can gunk up your lock. And spray it all, just go ahead and hose him down. It'll definitely increase the lifespan of your deadbolt. From there, you can go ahead and just install him one more time. Go ahead about your installation process and you are all set. Now, one other timing problem that does occur is sometimes you'll install your deadbolt and you can pretty much, you can lock him and unlock him and remove the key in either position. But what will happen is, in this case, we turn it one time to the left and he's unlocked. If you have to turn him any more than what I just did, so he's locked and he's unlocked. If you have to turn him like a full rotation, that means that your timing is also off. You do not want to have to turn him more than really a half a turn. It's just, if you do, basically what will happen is you're going to come home and you're going to basically have to twist your wrist all the way around, or you're going to turn him and then turn him again. So if that is a problem that you're having as well, it's also due to timing. Now, that's really all I have for this video. Hopefully it helped you guys that were having this issue. If you like this video, you can feel free to subscribe if you'd like to see more helpful locksmith videos and lock picking videos. And in any case, that's all there really is to this video. So like I always say, Stay safe out there. Good luck to you on your project, and have a nice day.